What is up, everybody? Today we're going to make some tri-tip tacos. So first we got a beautiful tri-tip. Look at that thing, nice and grainy. We're going to add this to a marinade mixture for a few hours. We're going to use some good old orange juice, throw some soy sauce, bit of fresh chopped garlic in there, squeeze a lime in it. Then we're going to throw this in there, make sure it gets covered, flip it over a few times if you need to. Then we're going to cover this container. We're going to throw this in the fridge for, I did about 3 hours. Then we're going to rest it in the fridge, pull it out in 3 hours, and then we're going to make some classic taco seasoning. So we got some cumin, a little bit of oregano, paprika, a little more paprika, some chili powder. Then we're going to hit hard. I'm going to put 3 teaspoons of garlic in here because, you know, fuck with garlic. Garlic's the best. Give it a nice mix. Then we're going to take our steak out, or tri-tip. Now we're going to pepper it, salt it, and we're going to cover it with a healthy amount of that taco seasoning. Don't be shy. Get it all over this bad boy. So get it on there. Get in. We're going to give it a pat. Make sure the seasoning sticks. You're going to flip it over to the other side. Now we're going to rest this for about 30 minutes. And we're going to add it to the barbecue. Let's rest it. We already got our coals piping hot. We got it all to one side. Keys, you're going to sear this in both sides. Then we're going to want to move it to the indirect side to let it finish off. You don't want to burn it too much. You want to get that seasoning nice and brown though. Get a nice little crust on there. Throw it to the indirect side. While that's doing, throw your tortillas over the hot coals. Get them nice and warmed up. A little extra color and flavor on those bad boys. Now that's done, we're going to take it. We're going to rest it inside. So the steak's been rested for about 15 minutes. We're going to cut it open. First of all, always give it a cut. Appreciate your handiwork. Look how juicy that is. Beautiful. You slice it up. We want some big chunks, we want some smaller chunks here just for the tacos, easier to eat. This is pretty tender, but you know, you always want to chop it a little bit. Just make it easier to handle. One regret is I didn't make a salsa for this. I should have made some kind of sauce. It was getting late. That's one thing I feel like this recipe's missing. So if you're doing it at home, make yourself a sauce of some kind. So we're gonna do some white onion. We're gonna do some of that crumbly cheese, ajillo cheese or whatever it's called. I can't remember that fucking name. We're gonna throw some of that cheese on there. And that's it. You can enjoy. If you get some hot sauce, throw on there. But like I said, I think the only thing it was missing was like some kind of salsa. Beautiful. It was delicious otherwise. Nice smoky flavor. Tri-tip's such a flavorful cut. It's like a poor man's brisket. It's fantastic. Enjoy. Thanks for watching.